Here's a reason to get your finances in order, which you might not have thought of, which is according to recent research from Bruin Dolphin, employees who are suffering from financial stress are almost 15 times more likely to have sleepless nights. They're more likely to take a sick day per year due to financial stress. They're almost 13 times more likely to be unable to complete daily tasks, are more likely to have troubled relationships, and be looking for a new job. Now, that's not good for the economy, it's not good for a company, it's not good for the individual. Whatever age you are, you want to plan ahead to avoid being in that situation. So the whole point about saving pensions, ISAs, SIPs, is not simply, oh, you'll have a happier retirement, you'll sit on a beach when you're a billion years old. Nobody cares when you're 19, 20, 21. You want to go down the pub and all the rest of it. No. The reason why when you're in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s, you want to be planning ahead is because you don't like stress. That's actually the reason why. You don't like sleepless nights. You don't want ruined relationships. You don't want to be constantly looking for new jobs. It's the same reason you decide to learn skills or educate yourself. You're actually trying to avoid future pain. Okay, it's why we launched the campaignforamillion.com, which is completely free. Campaignforamillion.com to teach people how to be better investors and share the insights of what that takes in sort of a drip feeding way every day. They just read a little bit of material and they think, oh, right, okay, I didn't know that. That's great, on their train journeys or commutes or sitting at home or whilst they're, I don't know, on the lavatory. Wherever you do your education and watching your phone, we do that. We teach you. So have a look at campaignforamillion.com.